It was supposed to be a peaceful evening in the city. Crickets chirped and the gentle hum of cars winding home filled the dusk. But as twilight deepened, something felt wrong, almost as if the world had lost its rhythm. The streetlights flickered, bicycles wobbled in place, and even the playground roundabout spun unevenly. In the heart of this strange calm, three shadowy figures, Catboy, Owlette, and Gecko, stood atop the city's clock tower. Catboy's ears twitched as he tried to sense the missing energy. Guys, do you feel that? It's like, speed is gone. Owlette gazed below with her keen eyes. And balance. People can't even walk straight, she observed, a note of worry in her voice. Just then, a blue blur zipped to their side, scattering a gust of wind. It was Sonic the Hedgehog, brow furrowed and arms folded. Looks like you're having the same problem, huh? Sonic said, tapping a sneakered foot. My speed's off. I can't get up to my usual spin dash. Gecko flexed his muscles. We need a plan. If speed and balance are gone, the city could come apart by morning. They split up to investigate. Catboy and Sonic raced through the city's alleys. Even at half speed, Sonic was faster than Catboy, who struggled to leap fences that suddenly seemed too tall. In the park, they witnessed a skateboarder wobbling in midair before gingerly landing on the grass. Everywhere, people stumbled, delivery drones twirled, and the rush of city life crawled. Meanwhile, Owlette and Gecko cornered Romeo near the electronics store, expecting a new gadget at fault. Instead, Romeo looked flustered, his hoverboard listing dangerously. Not my style this time. Romeo stammered. If I did it, I'd be gloating. A faint laughter echoed from the rooftops. Luna Girl sat, spinning her lunar magnet, her gleaming moon ball beside her. Looking for some pep in your step? She taunted. Too late. The city's night energy is mine. Sonic clenched his fists. If she's drained kinetic energy with that magnet, we need to get it back, fast. Gecko analyzed the scene. But without balance, none of us can reach her directly. We need to work together.